Policies were often downloaded from the internet, applicable to different countries, weren't relevant to what they needed. They were just built or created ad hoc by people who didn't really understand what they were doing. My name's Andrew Davenport. I'm CEO and founder of Focus Technology Europe Limited. We're a small MSP, team of 8, based in Cornwall in the southwest of England, and we serve customers from hospitality, professional services, and manufacturing. There was one specific client that we really struggled with. They thought the Cyber Essential certification was just a box-ticking exercise. They expected us to treat it as such and just tick the boxes for them to get this accreditation. For them, it was worth a lot of money. If they didn't get Cyber Essential certified, they wouldn't gain important and lucrative contracts for their business. Having the conversations over and over and the fact that we are not going to just tick the boxes for you. We need to see evidence or work with you to create the evidence you require to pass the certification properly. At the end of the day, if you're audited after the certification and found to be lacking, that's going to cost you more than putting the policies in place in the first place. When we went out to market to add a product to our stack to cover this requirement for our customers, and not just the policies but also the cyber awareness training, there were many products available. We ended up shortlisting it to 3. KnowBe4 was one of them, CyberSmart was another, and usecure was the third contender. We spent quite a bit of time evaluating the products for a number of different aspects, one of which was usability. As an MSP, we don't have time to waste doing administration of complex products. The other thing was price. We wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to hit our customers hard in the pocket, it was going to deliver real value. After spending quite a bit of time looking at all the individual products, we decided to select usecure. Not just because the quality of the product, the simplicity of the interface, the simplicity of onboarding the customers, and a really brilliant price point, but actually usecure came across as the kind of company we wanted to work with. It's not just about the product, it's about the relationship you build with those people going forwards. For most of our customers who averagely use 5 to 10 policies apiece, it's a massive cost saving rather than go out to market and have the policies written by specialist lawyers. For our own part, when we investigated that, we were looking at a bill of several £1,000s to get policies written, which we then have to make sure are updated frequently. usecure does all the heavy lifting, does all the hard work. It saves hours of time and an awful lot of money. On top of that, we've already mentioned the risk awareness training. We have had a great time seeing our customers going from averagely above 85% risk factor down to less than 20 over a really short period of time. The customers also really enjoy this because when we have our regular meetings, we can show them the reports that show that their risk level is dropping. If I was speaking to a peer in the industry and they had customers still doing policies the old way, I would say to them to be cautious. At some point in the future, something's going to go wrong. And if the policies that they've got are poorly written, don't exist at all, or have been written by AI that's been hallucinating or producing wrong information, that customer's going to end up in hot water. Like it or not, somehow, it may reflect back on you and your business. You might as well just get it right from the offset. In fact, recently I was at a trade event and some representatives from usecure were on their stand. I actually said to the representatives, look, don't worry guys, I've got this. I had the conversation with the MSP owner right next to me and I said, seriously, just do it. You won't look back. And I think he went ahead and bought it.